Guys, it's Ari from Gels by Ari, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 5 easy Halloween nail designs that pretty much anybody can do. So come along and I hope you enjoy. The first thing you're going to do is put a dot anywhere you want the center of your web to be and drawing 2 vertical and then horizontal lines across the nail. Then you will add the ones in between those, kind of creating like a sparkly star. And then you're going to do these small curvature lines connecting in between the other previous lines you did, and you will do that all the way around the spider web to create that effect of dimension, and following each line you previously did before to continue the next, and just continue that. Next, we will be doing a ghost, and in the ghost you will do 2 little lines going downwards in the corner and filling that in. Then you will do a almost French effect and bringing in to the circle that you made, you will bring that little wing in and then create 2 black dots and a longer oval in the middle. Next, we will be doing a spider. You will do a black circle and then you will do little straight up lines to create the legs and then go in a downwards motion, almost like a triangle. And then you will add 2 white dots and then 2 little black ones over that, and you have a spider. Now we will be doing a pumpkin. The pumpkin is just super simple. You'll do 1 circle, then 2 little ovals next to it, and just using a dotting tool, you will fill that in. And then you will do 2 other smaller ones on the other side. Then using a black liner brush, we'll go in and we will fill out all the curves and follow the pattern we had made with the orange, and we will continue that all the way around. We could even add in a little stem there and add a little bit of a vine effect. Just like that. Now we will be doing blood drops, and you will do 3 dots and then draw straight lines up, and then you will connect those lines together and you will just fill it in and just go slowly with it. Honestly, just have a little bit of paint on your brush, and you would just keep following those lines. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some design inspo from that or learned how to do something. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.